nagkaroon ng ban sa Kuwait. I think it was because of my committee na pinush ko. I think it was last year. And it was lifted. Hindi ko alam paano na-lift yun. I wasn't informed. I've heard na nagkaroon ng bilateral agreement and there was a delegation from the Philippines went to Kuwait and talked to the Kuwaiti government. And after discussion with them, it was agreed upon that the ban will be lifted, and it was lifted on last year, 2023. But God damn, I wasn't invited, or I wasn't even informed, or my staff wasn't informed, so that kasama sana kami doon sa bilateral agreement. Para kami na mismo ang magsabi na ito ang gusto namin mangyari, we could have contributed something. I'm not saying that pag-ate namin ay wala naman ang mangyayang pananakit, but what I'm saying is, at least man na makakontribute kami doon dahil alam namin kung ano talaga yung mga problemang dapat solvein bago ma-lift ang ban. Because like I said, on the average 150 OFWs. It's either their mismo OFW o yung kanilang kamag-anak ang tumatawag sa amin.